Let's get the latest on the Weather Authority alert with meteorologist Violet Skyber. I just heard from somebody who drove Albany to Syracuse today, so past that situation that was in Herkimer County, going the opposite direction. It's dangerous.
Yeah,
it's
I mean,
dangerous.
we had quite an icy mix, so it's not only that we're dealing with this heavy lake effect snow, but it's on top of a thick layer of ice, as we did have widespread freezing rain and sleet on Sunday. And this heavy lake effect snow has already dumped a couple of feet, and we're looking ahead to more, several feet of accumulation in central New York over the next 2 days. Plus, we have bitter cold on the way for tonight. Cold weather advisories in place, which means any wet surfaces will become icy, but also there's the threat for frostbite on any exposed skin in less than 30 minutes. We also have several batches of light snow beyond this heavy lake effect snow as we go towards the end of the week and the weekend. So starting with this evening, we have lake effect snow warning still in place for the shoreline of Lake Ontario, Onondaga County, Madison, Oneida, Oswego, Lewis, and Jefferson until 6 a.m. on Wednesday for several feet of snow. We also still have high wind warnings and wind advisories in place until 7 p.m. After 7 p.m. and through tomorrow, it's still going to be quite windy, but not at that warning or advisory criteria. It will ease just a little bit. But the wind, factored in with the cold, will make it feel like it's as cold as negative 20 degrees for all of central New York. From 10 p.m. tonight through 10 a.m. tomorrow is when we have the danger to see frostbite again on any exposed skin. Dealing with the lake effect snow still for the North Country, northern Oswego, Lewis, and Jefferson counties right now sitting over places by Oswego, just north of Hastings, Richland, Southwick Beach, Worth Center, Osceola, out towards the Boonville area. But it will be dropping south as we head into tonight, dipping back into northern Onondaga County, northern Madison, and central Oneida counties. And that's where it stays late at night and into sunrise tomorrow. So we will be waking up to some fresh snow in this band right along Rome, Utica, Cazenovia, Syracuse, Fulton, Oswego, and Sodus. That's where it stays through the entire day tomorrow, but it does become lighter by the evening as the winds begin to ease. And by Wednesday morning, much lighter, just some lingering flurries. So by sunrise on Wednesday, we can expect an additional 2 to 3 feet for areas in southern Oswego County, including Oswego, Fulton, stretching out towards Rome, just north of Utica. But notice the sharp cutoff from northern Onondaga County. Cicero is in the 1 foot zone to only a couple of inches for downtown Syracuse and stretching towards Lafayette. Same for the North Country. Watertown, little to nothing, but up to a foot for places by Richland, Osceola, and the Tug Hill. So this is going to be the danger zone right in here, 2 to 3 feet. But if this does stay steady and heavy enough, there may be a spot that reaches 4 feet. After this tapers off Wednesday morning, just a few flurries, not expecting any impactful weather for the middle of the week. We do have another widespread light snowy system that'll be passing by that may bring some light snow showers for Thursday, and then that exits Friday and will be gradually drying out, only expecting another inch or two from this system Thursday and early Friday. The other thing to note is it's going to be chilly this week. Highs in the upper teens tomorrow, 20s for the rest of the week. Overnights in the single digits to near 10 for the next 2 nights, then in the teens for Thursday night and Friday night. This weekend we'll have clouds to start Saturday, then afternoon sunshine, and finally milder temperatures back to near normal in the lower 30s, mid-30s on Sunday with some lake effect snow up north, and then another light widespread snowy system that'll bring some flurries on Monday, even milder in the upper 30s. Michael.
Thank you, Violet. Requesting